up, tartlets? It's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beach bag essentials video, mommy style, but I'm also going to show you guys some hacks that you guys can use at the beach. These are good for everyone. So keep on watching and let me know in the comments down below where you guys are going this summer. You guys might know I have a little baby. He's gonna be 8 months next week. I can't believe it. But it's gonna be his first time at the beach in the water this weekend. And we are very, very, very excited, but we're also like, oh my gosh, we have so much to pack. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the things I'm bringing for him to the beach. And then I'm also just gonna show you guys some things that I'm gonna be bringing in my little pouch. First, SPF is hugely important, and it's even more important to me now than it ever was before, just because I feel like I'm getting older. I'm starting to see my skin in a different way, and I just really have learned that I need to protect my skin better. So I wear our Found Sealer every day, which has SPF in it, but I also wear our Tarte Guard 30 at the beach. I bring this with me. This is amazing. It smells amazing, and it doesn't leave you with that greasy feeling. I just put a little bit and look how it blends into my skin and does not leave you with that like white residue. Like I said, this is SPF 30 and I use this for myself, but for Ryan, he's literally never been in the sun for an extended period of time before. So I need something that's a little bit more protective for him. So I use SPF 50 and I use this. This is the Baby Organics, and I use a lot of their products for Ryan actually. This is just organic. It doesn't have parabens, minerals, fragrances, phthalates, all that stuff that Tarte doesn't have. This does not have either. So I really feel comfortable using this. This is SPF 50. It's tear-free, water resistant, and I love that it's a spray because I've witnessed this with my nieces and nephews or my little cousins. It is a pain to put sunscreen on kids, so having a spray is so important. So I'm gonna be starting off with SPF 50 on Ryan, and then for touch-ups on him, I'm definitely gonna be using our Tarte Guard 30 Mineral Powder Sunscreen. I am obsessed with this. Jen uses this on Brody. I use this in my own hairline, actually. I burn easily in my scalp, and this is a product that I love because usually when I use sunscreen in my scalp, my hair feels like greasy and gross, and this is not going to do that. So just press it out, and then I literally just put it in my scalp. And like I said, Jen does this with Brody and his hair. I'm definitely gonna be doing this with Ryan. And the other amazing thing, the obvious factor, is if you have makeup on and you don't wanna put sunscreen over your makeup, this is perfect because it's going to act as a setting powder, but also protect your skin, and it's great for touch-ups at the beach, like I said. I don't wear a ton of makeup to the beach, but what I do always wear are brows, mascara, and lip. So I have our Busy Gal brows on. I'm wearing our Lights Camera Splashes mascara because this one is waterproof. And then I also always have our lip quench with me in my bag. This is like a lifesaver. It keeps my lips so hydrated, and it has just a subtle hint of color. I also really love the coral color because I feel like it's perfect for summer. I actually just picked up this bag set from Tarte.com. This is the Busy Gal bag set, and I think this is gonna be just perfect for the beach because of this clear waterproof bag. So this is the bag I'm gonna be putting like my makeup products, my sunscreen. This is the perfect bag for that. And then it also comes with these cute, adorable vegan leather bags. I'm obsessed with these. This bag is perfect for like credit cards and little things that I don't want to lose at the beach. This one is perfect. It actually fits my cell phone. So at the beach, I don't want to get my phone all sandy and gross. This is perfect, and it fits all right in this bag. And like I said, I'm gonna put all the sunscreen in here. This is just the cutest, perfect beach bag. Another thing I always bring to the beach with me are wipes. And these are our Cocoa Nuts About You makeup removing biodegradable wipes. Well, I love these because now that I do have a baby, I can feel okay about wiping off Ryan's face with these because they don't have any of that bad stuff. They are vegan, they're cruelty-free, and the most amazing thing is that they're biodegradable. I'm also always packing snacks for the beach, and now that I have Ryan, I have to think about him too and what snacks he can eat. So when we go to the beach, I'm gonna be bringing these adorable little pouches of food because I could just easily squirt these right into his mouth, and that will be his lunch or his breakfast. So I always go for the organic. I typically get the Beach Nut Organic or the Organics Happy Baby, and these are two that he loves. And speaking of snacks, I always make sure to have cold water with me because it's definitely easy to forget to drink water and to get dehydrated, especially when you're at the beach. So I found this adorable Swell bottle at Target. This is Sip by Swell, and it came with a reusable straw. And since we are all about saving the environment and not using plastic straws, I thought this was adorable. It's super insulated, and I'm going to just fill it with lemon water and keep myself hydrated all throughout the day. Now I'm gonna show you guys a couple hacks that you can use at the beach. And again, you can use these hacks if you're a mom, a babysitter, or just going by yourself. These are all relevant hacks. The first one is bring a mesh laundry bag, and you can put all of your beach stuff in here and the sand will just seep right through, so you won't have to worry about having a bag with a pile of sand at the bottom. Another hack, which I actually already mentioned, is to make sure to have a bag for your phone. I have this one from our Busy Gal bag set, and this is a vegan leather and it perfectly fits my phone. And then I can also put it in this waterproof bag, again, part of that set. So I love that. I think it's really important because we always have our phones, and I want to make sure that I don't get sand or water in my phone, so always have a bag for your phone. Another hack is to bring a fitted sheet to the beach. Now this you can lay out and put your bags or your chairs on the outside of this, and it kind of creates like a little play area for your baby, for your kids, or if you just want to chill and not get sand blown at you all the time, this is perfect. This next hack I actually got from YouTuber Emily Norris. She does amazing mom videos, and I thought this hack was just genius. So all you need for this is a waterproof shower curtain or a waterproof table cover, and basically you're gonna create a little mini pool for your toddler. And this is great because instead of having to bring like one of those blow up pools that could possibly fly away, this is just gonna be perfect, and it's super easy, and you can throw it away right after. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing summer, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys are doing anything fun for it. I will see you tartlets later. Bye. Here it comes. Here it comes.